and for the pastoral care of our faithful. Whereas Saint Pope John Paul II, by the Apostolic Constitution, Fue Maiore, on 16 December 1992, raised the Syro-Malabar Church the status of a major archiepiscopal church sui juris, appointing His Eminence Anthony Cardinal Padiera of happy memory, the then Archbishop of the Archbishop of Ernakulam, renamed as Ernakulam Angamali as its first major archbishop, determining the two metropolitan provinces of Ernakulam, Angamali and Changanasheri and their suffragans as the proper territory of the Syro-Malabar Church. Whereas, by the letter of His Holiness, Pope Francis of blessed memory, dated 9th October 2017, addressed to all the bishops of India, the jurisdiction of the Syro-Malabar Church got extended to the entire territory of India, and in concretization of the said provision, the eparchies of Shamshabad in the state of Telangana and Hosur in the state of Tamil Nadu were erected, and the boundaries of the eparchies of Ramanathapuram and Takkale were extended on the same date. Whereas the new circumscriptions, as with those already in existence, were entrusted as decreed by the Holy Father to the pastoral care of the major archbishop and the synod bishops of the Syro-Malabar Church, according to the norms of the Code of Canons of the Eastern Churches. Thus, the whole of India became the territorium proprium of the Syro-Malabar Church. Whereas, all the current Syro-Malabar ecclesiastical provinces are situated in the state of Kerala, while the majority of the eparchies in India are located outside Kerala, and whereas they are not suffragans of any of the existing Syro-Malabar provinces, there emerged a need to erect new provinces beyond the boundaries of Kerala to ensure better coordination and effective implementation of various pastoral initiatives and the advancement of evangelization. Whereas Session 2 of the 33rd Synod of Bishops of the Syro-Malabar Church, held from 18 to 29 August 2025 at the Syro-Malabar Major Archiepiscopal Curia of the Syro-Malabar Church at Mount St. Thomas, Kakinad, unanimously decided, after mature deliberation and prayerful discernment, to erect the ecclesiastical province of Kalyan and to assign metropolitan status to the See of Kalyan in the eparchies of Rajkot and Chanda, its suffragans. And whereas in accordance with the norms of Canon 85 of the Code of Canons of the Eastern Churches, the necessary consultation with the Apostolic See has duly been completed, and the required assent of the Apostolic See received and communicated through the letter of the Apostolic Nunciation in India, dated 27th August 2025, with the number 89, hereby erect the ecclesiastical province of Kalyan as its metropolitan see, having the eparchies of Rajkot and Chanda its suffragans. Furthermore, upon the acceptance of the resignation of Bishop Mar Thomas Ilamanal MCDS from the office of the Bishop of Kalyan on completion of the 75 years of age, in accordance with the canonical provisions, I hereby appoint His Excellency Ma Sebastian Mani Pedigal, until now the Curia Bishop of the Syro-Malabar Church, who was duly identified and elected by the Synod of Bishops of the Syro-Malabar Church in the Session 2 of the 33rd Synod of Bishops, held from 18 to 29 August 2025, as the first Metropolitan Archbishop of the Archbishopric of Kalyan, conferring upon him all the rights, obligations and privileges that pertain to such office in accordance with Canons 133 to 136 of the Code of Canons of the Eastern Churches. I send my greetings and blessings to my beloved brother in Jesus Christ, Mar Sebastian Vaniyaparikal, and the brother bishops, entire clergy, the consecrated women and men, and the lay faithful of the ecclesiastical province of Kalyan. May this ecclesiastical province foster unity among the suffragans, and with them, as well as with the other Catholic churches and Christian denominations of the locality, promote evangelization and serve as a beacon of faith and charity among the people of God and the society at large. May our Blessed Mother Mary and Saint Thomas the Apostle, our Father in faith, intercede for the new province and the metropolitan. All honorary dispositions notwithstanding, given from the major Archiepiscopal Curia of the Syro-Malabar Church at Mount St. Thomas, Kakkana, in the first year of the pontificate of Pope Leo XIV, and in the second year of my ministry of the Major Rafael Kathil, Major Archbishop of the Syro-Malabar Church, countersigned Major Archiepiscopal Chancellor.